Hi, back again, we start. So today we want to make the last house in this yeah part. You see that little house here, but when you look from the top, the little L house, and it is deep down there. So that means there's the back side of the house, and you see it's stage 1, 2, 3, the roof 4. So 4 stages house. Okay, let's start. Add mesh cube, scale down, grabbing positioning to see the high. That's like that here. It should be 3 stages. So we go edit mode with tab, control R, roll middle mouse button, left to accept. Then material. We take a new material. That is the white material for that house, and then a plus to make another material, new, and give them red color. Only to see difference between stages. Assign. So that is it. We make here now the roof on. I will try that with individual origins, and here the edges to make that part here on both sides. So E to extrude, bring them up, and scale X. No, scale, grab, scale XX. No, it seems not be possible to make them both in the same direction. I go here to local, scale X, no, grab X, no, so we must make it manually. Okay, yeah, good idea, but it don't work. Well, maybe it work, but I don't know how. That is the question. But who cares? We can do it without that. So then we make here in the middle another one. So extrude again, E to extrude, bring it there, and close that up with F. Then the sides with F, and the other side too with F. So we have that base structure. It should be an L we set. That means we must make here a half coming out there. I must now look how that works. We must go here out. So we make there a loop. So we have that. I must look here exactly from top at best. Yeah. Oh, here's another structure for the roof there. Must look how we get that. But at first, we need here to cut off. So from that point to that point with the knife. Spacebar to accept, and then we bring that out. So I go here back to median point, here back to global, then I'll take face selection and first drag the house itself out, E to extrude, and then we have that part here. So now the roof should go like here, and here should be a cut or some. That means we take that edge extrude them to the top. Let's look again. And then it just leans so. Okay. But that here is completely dead. Yeah, I understand. So that we have to close them. I have to close for that and the other one here. So now we need here. Here must be the cutting point. And here we need to come up, extrude the high of the top part. Then we need to cut here through. So we take a knife from here to there. Spacebar. And then there's a really funny thing here. Good. Yeah, we have to go here deeper. That is this place, and then we have to bring that up till the top. And normally we can delete that here again and bring simply that up and ready. Yeah, that is the ground structure thing. But I think here is a middle cut or so. Yeah, there's a middle cut and that goes down to that direction there. Wow, really complicated one. Good. So we have to make here another cut in. So knife from there to there. Suck. And then we bring them up. And the back part down. So that is now really that what we have there. Mystery sauce, but okay. Who needs it? I don't know. Okay, it's French, so what do we say? Shift D, make a copy, file, save. Then the front has two of this big window stuff there. So we simply take there, add mesh cube. I must look how big they are. Scale X. That should be it. And there comes the window in, and it goes through the roof then. That means this part must be higher. Such like that. Maybe not as much, but that much. And then we have to make here a hole for the window. Control R, make two loops in, scale X. And we need here top part also. So Control R, make here top loop for the distance and at the bottom 2. So we can open up that face here. So face selection. Now computer lags. Hopefully it don't crash. Okay. X. Delete only faces. Now it's open. Now we take here these fronts and bring them more out. So we extrude with E and bring that more out. Okay. Can be a little bit more, I think. But grabbing such like that. And a little bit overstanding here. So that means we make here E and extrude to that side. And an extrude to that side. So that is too thin for me. And we see here it must be a little bit come up. So with background selection, grid selection, or circle selection, then we can bring that more up, but here must background selection be on. Okay, I think that works. Not completely. Yeah, and it should have a thickness. So I will take here the whole roof stuff and bring them up. So E to extrude again and bring up, so we have a thickness there. Good one. So that is that one. Not nice, but second. Good. Yeah. Then we make a window. File, save. That means we add mesh cube. Well, cube is not needed, but okay, it's a wheel. Scale down. Scale set. That should be that window type there. We make them smaller, scale Y. So then we need a smaller part for the classes. So we take here the front face and the back face and E to extrude scale. Make the outer frame, scale set. Good. And then E to extrude scale Y. So we bring it more inside. So we have that. So we need ribs now. And the ribs we make simple. So add mesh cube, scale down. Scale X. That are 3 more. So modifier, array modifier. Here set a 0. Here a 1. -1. So 3 counts. And go down there. 4 count. So that's that. So make them a little bit smaller, I think. Scale X. And bring that here more down. Good one. Then Shift D. Rotate Y 90. Okay, forget P. Separate the selection. So yeah. That. Here we delete the modifier, rotate Y at 90 degrees and bring them here in the middle and make one part deeper. So that, and then we have that raster there. We must apply that modifier. Then we can join that both together and bring that into our window here. So we must only scale that up a little. Nearly. Good. So we have that window done. So we can join that together too. File, save, and can place them into that roof part. Yeah, here's better. We go to solid mode so we see a little bit better where we were going. It's not so overprided and such. It's better to look at. So I think that is every time a little bit deeper. So Shift D, make there. Oh no, here may make Alt D because it is the same window. Then we take here that part and extrude that back so we have depth there, and then we have that complete part. We see here a difference between the colors. That means that it is rotated or mirrored. So we have to go edit mode, select all, and then remove doubles. That isn't it. So we have to recalculate the normals, and now all colors are the same, so the normals look in the same direction. Good. Now we can join that all together, and we have one of these parts there. Save as. I take a new version number. I call it house 16.2. So let's look some. Yeah, we can make here another 2 loops in, so we have directly that brown stuff there. That means we take here 2 loops, scale X a little, and here 2. That was 3. That isn't right. So Control R, roll the middle mouse, scale X, left mouse click to accept. So we have that brown stuff too, only that little thing is missing there. So Control R, make another loop, and Control R the last loop, and good, we have it. Nice. So we bring that till the house. That means one of them we move to second layer, so we only have one left there. That house we rotate set -90, rotate set 180, so we have the front look, and then grab, scale, and place. So I think that can be it. Then Alt D, bring them on the other side too. So we have that 2 faces there. That is okay. File, save. Now we have to cut off the front. You see it here. Very mystery like every time here. We need a big space there. That means here we need a big space for that before roof. Then we need here side space, such like that. That we must cut through, so knife from there till there, and knife from there to there. Now we need the door and the two windows there. Here 2 doors and 2 windows. 2 windows and 2 doors. Okay. And it's only the half then there. Okay. So that means we cut with the knife from there to there. That is the little wall in the front. Then we have here 2 windows we said. So knife, we take it from here to there, and knife on the other side too, from there to there. And here we have then the 2 doors with a little space between. That means Control R, 2 loops, scale set, that is the middle one. Then we have to cut through because they are doors, so they are much deeper than windows for sure. So we cut here all through. So between the windows and the doors must be sure some thick stuff. Yeah, that is so. But it's wooden stuff. Wooden stuff, wooden stuff, wooden stuff. But we make there some other stuff. That means we make here a loop. That should be the difference between door and the window. Good, then we open up this face and this face. But before I do that, I will see how thick they are. And here you can't see it, okay. That means I make here Control R another loop and Control R another loop here and there too, to get directly that window stuff there and the sidebars of the house there. Good. So I open up now this window, so X delete only faces, so that is now open. And we have to open up the doors also, so I take here these edges and X delete edges, so the doors now open also. And we take now the windows and the doors and extrude them, E to extrude and bring them backward. So we have now doors and windows in there on that stage. Good. Fire, save. Here in front comes the big wall. That is the big wall there. Here on the other side too. So that means we can bring here that whole part out. So E to extrude and simply bring them out. So we have that. File save. Here comes later the big wall where the tourists go over from the castle. So here on the side is nothing, only the pipe there for the smoke. This window stuff there we should build. So we start at mesh cube, scale down, scale X. That should be the window. Scale Y to make it thinner. Then we look from front so we can see better what we do. We make it first a loop, 2 loops there for the frame, the outer frame. Same on the other direction. Scale X. Then we need that one there. So, but we can make it easier. Don't know. Yeah, we'll make it this way. Here one, Control R again. Here one. And then, yeah, make here one. And there one. Control R again, but in the other direction. Here, a little bit smaller than the outer frame. So then we need here 2 more. So we can simply make here 2, then Control R. Oh, every time it jumps wrong. Okay, here Control R, make a loop there and there. Then we need 2 in this direction. So fuck that stuff there. So Control R, here one and there one. So now we have to bring in the faces from the class. Class is that here is too near, I see. Yeah. That means I take background selection, width selection. This part here is too small, so B, border selection, and now can drag that a little. There it comes more to the even distance. Good. That makes sense for me. So then what we don't need is this whole shit here. So I take here word selection without background selection and say that here should be gone. So I take here X, dissolve edges, and so we have that left, and that is what we need. So I can take now the classes and E to extrude and bring them back. And so we have that window done. Good. Bring that to the house there. Shift D, like a copy. and place it in our house. Scale down. Scale in the hole, scale X to close that whole shit there. Then we have that window in, we make it on the other side too, so Alt D and bring them there too. And maybe we bring them a little bit more into depth. So there. File. Save as. Version number 3. Okay, we have done that. I think only the doors left there to make. Here's a singular door, I think. There are other style there. Okay, but who cares? We make that. Add mesh cube, scale down. Scale set. Now we need this cassette style there. I call that every time cassette style. Yeah. Okay. So at first we need Control R, 2 loops, scale set for the bottom and the other frame there. Should be a little bit bigger. Then Control R in the vertical 2 times and scale set to get this frame. Can be a little bit bigger also, but not as big as the other. Then we need this space there, so Control R, make here a loop in. Then we have to deepen up that here and bring out that there. So that means we take that face, extrude scale, and extrude, bring that out a little. And that here we extrude and bring in a little. And then we have made that door. So easy is it. But I want to bring out that here more. So extrude that out more. And that is enough for that. So with background selection, word selection, border selection, I bring that near. So have that. Set the origin to geometry. So we have that one door, and these are 3 or 4 I think, of that door, but smaller. So Shift D and make that much smaller. So with background selection, we take here this whole part and make them much smaller. So we have one of that style there, and they want 4. I'm not sure that is small enough for 4. I think that isn't small enough for that. But we will check that. So bring that to position. Scale down. Come there. You see from the, we go here back to solid mode to see better. Then we scale down. One size should fit. This time the height. So we have that. And now we must only change here spaces that all four comes there. So at first I tried this way, then I try to bring that all more to the side, and then that side also, and then we have to fit, and it fits. So we have that, we can apply them. Let's see normal arrows again, that all must be cleared later. Then the other window there, door there, bring there too. Shift D, that both we can move to second layer. Also one copy of them, Shift D, move second layer. Every time important when it crashes you have such backup. Yeah. So you don't must do all completely new again. So that is this door again, back to solid mode. The size is good there, but it must be much longer in the Y, in the X. That should be that door, a huge door. We rotate set because it stands open. And so we have that also. Rotate set more. So that's it. We need a button normally. So we can take here Control R, make here another loop in, and F to close. Then there is a button into. Good. File, save, back to material mode. So now here the back of the house from this L type. That means that part here, the back part. You see there are different sizes of windows. Here you don't see it correctly, but I think it's the same like there, is there too. So we have to do that all. So add mesh cube, scale down. That should be that top thing there, scale set a little. Okay. Then Shift D, scale up, scale set, that should be the second one, and Shift D, scale down, scale X for that one, and that should be the same, and the other one here should be the same also, so Shift D here, and then 2 times for the side. Good. Now I bring them to their position for cutting. So we take them there, side view, rotate set -90. I must sure think about that. I think rotate set 180 is better. So we are here. Yeah, that is the back of the house. And we have to go in. And then we have to check again what's going up here. So that one should be in the middle position there. And that is good. That one should have a middle position also. That 2. and that also. Good. So we join them till 1. Set the origin to geometry. Object, apply, rotation, scale. The same we make with the house itself. Object, apply, rotation, scale. Then we click the cutting object. It's cube 12, the name. Then we click on the house, take boolean, and say cube 12. Should be the cutting object. We want the operation difference and apply that. Then we have cut it in the windows there. We can move that here to second layer. Make a secure copy of the house. Shift D, M to move second layer. File, save. Good. Only the other two left. So we have to bring them into. So we have that. Bring them a little bit more into. Join that together. Object, apply, rotation, scale. Name is cube 17. The house also, again, object, apply, rotation, scale, because we changed that. So that was 17. So on the house, boolean cube 17. Operation difference, apply, thanks a lot, move it in, M to move second layer, thanks a lot, file, save. Good, we cut it in all that we want. Now we need the Windows stuff there, that are this rip windows that we made. So I look at the second layer for our rip window. When I find it, but I don't find it. That is bad, so we go to first layer. There is it. Wow, good hidden. So that is one of them. I'll make Shift D to get one. Then I'll bring them till there. And I scale them down. And make their double. Shift D. So we have that. Then here 2 big doubles. So Shift D. And scale them up. Yes. And here that is a 3 counted one. So Shift D. Scale up. And we have to make here one more. So with background selection, word selection, B, and bring it here more out. And then we take with L, that one, Shift D, and position it there, so we have a 3 counted part there. Good, that are the windows for bring in on this side. So again, rotate, set 90 degrees. I think was wrong, but who cares? No, it's correctly. Good, then we need the other view, solid view. We take both of these windows there and bring them into. We see what we have to do is scale Y. And best is when you make your own um, liberty for windows and doors, so only have to put them from there. So that's much better than to make here each time new windows and this stuff. That is a lot of work. So better library with done windows, and you copy them only from the one project to the other. That's the fastest way to do such. Good. That window is in also, so only that one join together. Oh, we don't open up that in the background, so must print them out, join together, bring forward. We must first open up that. So disable background selection, then the face selection there, and X delete only faces, so they are open now. Good. So into and position, a little bit scaling. Scale. So then Shift D, place that also here, and Shift D, rotate set -90, and bring it on this side also. Shift D, place it there also. Oh, it was better when Alt D. Yeah, I'll make it here with Alt D, and better. Better was when all was Alt D, but okay. It's like ever. Good, the whole house, you see the difference, so A to select all, then UV normals recalculate, and now the normal errors are gone. This both have to do that also. Recalculate normals, and that stuff also. But looks like they correctly turned, or we must flip them. Try that now. Flip direction. No, they're now darker. Okay, so that was correctly there. I go back, Control set, and that is okay. Good. We go here to material mode again, and I think that was the rough stuff. And the next part we make then the texturing, but we have made the modeling ready. To move second layer, file, save. So we build that, and next time then the texturing. So see you in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot. Bye.